In this video I will show you how to view connected Wi-Fi QR code on Windows 11. For this you do not need any external software. For this we have to update Windows 11 at first, because to use this feature you may at least have Windows 11 version 24H2. So let's update Windows if available. Click on Check Update. If available it will update for this. Then at last may have to restart your computer as well. In my case it is already up to date, so I will move to next step. For this go to Search and type Settings and then select it from the list. On the left pane click on Network and Internet. On the main pane click on Wi-Fi. After that click on Manage Known Networks. Select the Wi-Fi network you are connected to or want to share. Click the Show button next to the Wi-Fi password. Windows will display the password along with a QR code in the pop-up as shown here. Use your phone's camera or any QR code scanner app to scan the QR code and quickly connect other devices to the Wi-Fi network without typing the password. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.